Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 143rd shlok. Avidya gune manava umajena भ्रमे चुकले हितते आकळेना परीक्षे विणे बांधले दृढ नाणे परी सत्य मिथ्या असे कोण जाणे. Those human beings who live in ignorance fail to understand. They get lost in the confusion about what is beneficial and what is not due to the delusion. Without doing the proper inquiry, they keep holding on to false coins. But who will know what is truth and what is false? In this world, the people who do not use their knowledge never really understand the truth. They may be very well educated, have earned degrees, but that does not mean that they are applying their intellect all the time. Samartha Ramdas Swami is pointing towards such people who, in spite of having lot of knowledge, do not use it properly. There may be others who are not well educated but use their ability and intellect in the right way, and they may be better than the ones who are apparently educated. Most people get lost in delusion, wrong knowledge, and then never really understand or able to distinguish between what is beneficial to them and what is not. Some get so entangled in satisfying their desires that they get swayed away from the right path. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, shlok 67, Lord Sri Krishna says, Indriyanam hi charatam yan manonuvidhiyate tadasya harati prajnam vayurnavam ivambhasi. In the same way as a strong wind sweeps a boat off its charted course on the water, even one of the senses on which the mind focuses can lead the intellect astray. Even the most intelligent people can be deluded that they are on the right path if their mind focuses on greed, ego, and lust. Once they are dragged into it, it is tough for others to bring them back on the right path. Sometimes people hold on to wrong knowledge, thinking that they are right and everyone else is wrong. They are not validating whether what they know is correct or not. Consider this: we all know that the earth is round. Can you believe that there are people, even in this age, in the year 2020, who strongly believe that the earth is flat? And the number of such people is not small. According to a polling institute called Datafolha, there are 11 million people in Brazil who believe that the earth is flat. Take another example. With the year 2020 swallowed by COVID, majority of us know that wearing masks and keeping social distance are the two guidelines to prevent the spread of the disease. But there are a vast majority of people who just refuse to follow these guidelines. They are holding on to their own principles even though the scientists keep on repeating the advice. Similarly, There are people who are so much swayed away from understanding the truth about the supreme reality and are focusing on enjoying their life, satisfying their desires, that they cannot distinguish between what is right and what is wrong, what is true and what is false. We all should strive to understand the path of righteousness and the vast knowledge given in the scriptures, but we need a guru who will help us get out of our ego, control the desires, get out of the false beliefs, and then really understand the age old wisdom about the eternal truth. Friends, if you like this explanation, feel free to comment and do like, share, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ